I know what you're thinking. Bella, you just filmed this video 6 months ago. And you're definitely right, I did. But I'm moving again. I know. This is probably a shocker to everyone, and it's definitely something that just happened very randomly, and I'm gonna give it a little bit of explanation. I was living with one of my brothers, and then he moved to Texas, and then my other brother moved in with me because I had a 2-bed, 2-bath, and it's time for me to be on my own. So he's gonna stay there in that apartment, and I am getting my dream apartment in downtown Tampa, Florida. There's some more details that kind of led up to this point, but that's kind of the main just overall view. I have longed to live alone for such a long time now, and to be able to take care of my own stuff and my own items and decorate how I want, and only have to worry about myself in that area, and it is finally the time. So let's go shopping in my favorite place ever. We have so much stuff to get for my new apartment. I also just feel like this is gonna open up a crazy amount of opportunities for me and my channel, and I'm just so thankful that God has put me in a place to receive such a blessing as this. Okay, let's go. I do have a list, and I'm gonna do my best to stick to it. Let's hope I stay in the list range. My list got deleted on the Target app, so I'm kind of raw dogging it at the moment and just kind of putting what I think I need like ASAP in the cart. Okay, so you said get the bath sheets, these?
Oh, the bath sheets, the big ones.
Yes, these are big. This cart is so full. Okay, I just finished packing the car with all the goods, and now let's go home and do a haul.
Several days later.
Okay guys, it's been a few days since I filmed that first portion. My voice, I lost it, so excuse it. But we have a lot of stuff, so let's get into the haul portion. I think actually some of it is still in my car, so I apologize, but you guys saw almost everything I purchased like in the actual video. First bag, Windex, but the ammonia-free version. My favorite stuff ever. I love bleach so much. I use it on absolutely everything. Like, I believe that if bleach is used in a house, it is a clean house. So I use bleach on a daily basis on literally everything. These are my favorite things to use to wash my clothes, the Tide Free and Clear pods. I really like these a lot, and I think they work very well. This is all stuff like I'll need the second I move into my apartment, because although there's a cleaning service cleaning it beforehand, I would also like to clean it myself because I'm just a very like clean freak. I just like to know that my products were used, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know, I'm weird like that. But this box is very heavy. All right, so here are my dishes. I've always gotten my dishes from Target for the most part. So I don't know, I don't really know of anywhere else to get like dish sets. So I think Target is just like the place to go. These are from Threshold, and they're just a square rim dinner set. You get 4 plates, 4 salad plates, 4 bowls, and 4 mugs. Although I don't really use the mugs because I like fun mugs. They are still nice to have for guests and stuff because I have a lot of cabinetry space in my kitchen. I got 2 of these, so then I would have double the plates, like 8 plates and stuff like that. So 2 of these, and I love like the sleek design and how just like simple they are. More cleaning stuff. My voice sounds horrible. I got these Downy infusions. This is the Calm one. I just put a little bit of these in my clothes, not a crazy amount because then it's like too overpowering, but I just like a little to make them smell good. Of course, we have another bleach because I put 1 in every bathroom and then 1 in the kitchen. So I have a few somewhere around here. Wrinkle releaser. And I'm pretty sure I got 2 of these, but this is my favorite dish soap. So I picked up 8 of these perfect. You guys, sometimes my speech sounds weird. Like sometimes like my English is sounding so weird. Anyways, these are the Performance Texture Bath Sheets. I like bath sheets instead of like towels because they're longer and they're bigger. I just have always used bath sheets growing up. So I got these and I love these so much. I like to get white because I like to bleach my stuff, so it stays clean and it's easier to bleach things when they're white. So I got 8 of these. I also got my glassware. So this is the Telford tumbler set, and I like these glasses because they have like 2 like little indentions on the side, so it's like an easy grip, and I like them. I mean, they do break easily, I will say that, so that's like not the best thing, but you know, whatever, they're cute. And the last bag, Just kidding, there's this bag right here, but it's just the towels that I just showed you. So I picked up the Project 62 kitchen towels. I like these a lot. My mom uses these. I have to get a ton more because I always go through towels. I'm always drying dishes or cleaning the counter and doing stuff like that. So I feel like dish towels I go through pretty frequently. So I'm gonna have like a whole drawer in my kitchen just for towels. So I need to get more of these, but they only had 1 pack left. And then I got these like sink towels, not sink towels, like bath towels, like dry your hands off. I don't know what they're called, but I can't find the name of them besides Threshold. So I'll link them down below for you guys. Obviously I got silverware, which you guys saw in the video, and I think a few other things that I did not show. I got the O-Cedar mop, which I'm so excited about, and yeah, that's in my car. Because the moving company is coming, and like, why am I gonna take those big items out of my car to bring up here? My brother brought up the plates, so like that part made sense. Okay guys, that is it for my little Target video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment, and be sure to stick around, follow my Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest that are on the screen. And if you guys want to see more moving content and just the whole process, which it's gonna be so exciting, you guys. This apartment is topless, luxurious, like it's just so beautiful, and I'm so excited. So if you guys are interested in that, stay tuned, and you can see my little life journey as me being a 20-year-old. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.